Hey guys, Richard here. So in this video I want to talk to you about the Rapid Implementation Volume 2, which is all about content creation. Now this is a series by Philip Barriman, and basically he's going to teach you everything you need to know about creating content online. Now he built a business that's well over 6 figures by having a blog post, by developing email sales pages, so he really understands how to do this, and you can too just by taking this course, right? I think it's a great course. The idea of this course is that you can go ahead and take action and do this straight away. This is why it's part of the Rapid Implementation, and these are a series of very, very small courses that will teach you a specific skill set that you can implement within your business straight away. That's the idea of these. So we're going to go inside. I'm going to actually show you the product itself. It's spread over 10 actual individual modules which teach you every aspect of building content online, and I'll talk to you a little bit about the pricing, and there is only one upsell on this. I'll talk to you about that as well because it's something that I really support. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and we'll jump straight in, and basically you're going to go ahead and look at 9 specific modules, easy for me to say, that actually take you through every aspect of how to do content creation. Now he is going to actually introduce you a very inexpensive AI tool. It's all about AI these days, guys, but a lot of tools out there aren't really that good, and you have to do more work than actually if you didn't bother using it at all to actually get the articles or whatever type of content it is actually made for you. But this is a very good AI tool it's going to introduce you to here, and guys, trust me, it's very inexpensive. So there is a creation process here which teaches you how to actually go through this 4-step process to create your own content. It takes you to the AI tool, and then the next part of this is the 1, 2, 3, really the 4 next videos on here, and these range from anything from 4 minutes to 10 to 15 minutes depending what the topic is. Basically he's going to take you through all aspects of developing this content. The idea is that the AI tool will help you develop a really good framework, and then you can use that tool to actually develop and embellish that framework. So he actually shows you how he's going to write a blog post and how he's going to detail out that blog post using the AI tool, which is really cool. You can also use this for multiple other things. You can use this for building your emails, which is something that I use it for because I struggle actually getting ideas for my emails, and I always use this tool. Your headlines, if you're into sales pages and you're selling products, you can use it for that. Social media posts is a great one. You can use it for social media posts and getting ideas from other people's social media posts as well. And the other cool thing is a Quora as well. It'll actually help you develop answers to questions. Now Quora is something I talk a lot about being a great traffic source. It can also help you with that as well. You just put the question in here and it'll suggest lots of ways to answer that question. Really cool. But the main thing here is more about the way that Philip actually explains to you how to use these types of tools and what you need to do to embellish that content to make it really valuable, and it's actionable and you can do it today. So guys, just go through these various sections here, and then he's actually going to show you a 1,500 word blog post that he makes in less than 35 minutes. You're not going to sit through all 35 minutes of it, but he's actually going to speed it up in areas. But you'll actually watch him do this, and it's so insightful to show how somebody is very good at this blogging. He's got a very high ranking blog, how he actually builds this, right? Then he has some things like some other hacks that you can use to actually go ahead and use this tool for, and then a real dose of common sense here when we're using these types of tools in our business. Now trust me, when you're using these types of AI tools, if it's a good quality one, it will save you many dollars online and a whole bunch of time. It's much easier. I've sat in front of my computer so many times, completely blank page, I've no idea what I'm going to write, and if I come into these types of tools, it starts to spark your imagination off, and it's much easier to make content. Then he's got a really nice bonus here. This is the SEO bootcamp. Philip has got a whole course on SEO. It's one of the different courses he sells. He's an absolute expert in this area, right? It's a huge area of SEO, and he can simplify it in a very good way. There's a really nice bootcamp there that's worth the price of this just on its own. Okay, so that's what you're going to get here. You're going to get a lot of detail here. You're going to get a few hours of actual training on here, but the key things are here, guys. This can be implemented straight away. This isn't something you're going to need something else to actually do. Go ahead and grab the AI tool. Very inexpensive. He actually gives you a free copy in here, and then you can start with this straight away. So jump back over to the sales page itself. This is actually going for $14.99 at the moment. Again, really good product to actually buy for $14.99, because there's a lot of detail here and it's very actionable. Now, there is only one OTO to this, guys. This is basically a 3-day access to his flagship program, Taking Action Online, which I'm a member of. This is a all-encompassing program that teaches you how to build a business online, from absolutely nothing to having a fully fledged business. This is well worth just $1. Just have a look around to see what you get on here. There's all sorts of different things included here. You get a 20-step action plan that will teach you how to build a business. You get 6 done-for-you products, 2 times monthly jumpstart workshops, thousands of done-for-you social media posts, all-in-one SEO toolkit, and a live chat support. And I'm actually part of the live chat support in this. So just for $1, guys, for 3 days, just to have a look around. This is really good. Now, just jump back to the sales page itself. Now, it is worth mentioning this is going to close on the 12th of January at 3 p.m. GMT. Okay, this isn't some kind of false scarcity. Philip really does close these programs because the idea of these is that they're very simple, short programs that people can actually implement straight away, and he wants to make sure that people jump on board and actually take action, because that's what it's all about at the end of the day, guys. So this is going to close on the 12th of January at 3 p.m. The other thing to mention here, guys, is if you are a premium member of Taking Action Online, do not buy this product. I know a lot of the people that follow me and subscribe to me are members of Taking Action Online. Don't buy this product. This is part of your monthly membership. Okay, guys, every time one of these rapid implementation volumes is released, you'll get it completely for free. So you can see that the value you're going to get here is really high. Okay, guys, so don't buy it if you're a member of Taking Action Online. If you're not, hey guys, buy this. I really recommend it. You're going to learn a lot about content creation. You're going to be able to implement this straight away. Go and get our $1 upsell. It's worth it. 3 days, you can have a look around Taking Action Online, see what you feel about it. And also, if you do decide to join, you get a 50% discount on the monthly membership for the first month. Okay, guys, I really recommend this, and I really suggest you go ahead and hit the link in the description below. Come over to this page and check it out for yourself. Until next time, guys, take care.